Question 61. Question 61 asks that the study of interrelationship between living organism and their environment. Now this interrelationship between living organism and their environment, that is nothing but known as ecology. Now why? Because term ecology is derived from two Greek words, and these two Greek words are namely oikos and logos. Now oikos means home and logos means study. So oikos is a home or habitat or a place to live, and logos means study or discourse. So hence, literally speaking, ecology is the study of organism at home. So with the environment, study of living organism is known as ecology. So C is the correct answer, that is ecology. Question 62. Question 62 asks that herbivores are. Now herbivores are those organisms which are dependent on the producers or plants. Okay. So herbivores are directly dependent on producer. So these herbivores are considered as primary consumer. They are considered as primary consumer. So option D is the correct answer. Question 63. Question 63 aspect asks that biological concept of species is mainly based on. So if we talk about a biological concept of species, this explained or defined species, and in this definition they defined as a group of closely related organisms that are capable of interbreeding and produce fertile offspring. Thus, biological concept of species is mainly based on reproductive isolation. So A is the correct answer. Question 64. Question 64 asks that food and energy relationship. Food and energy relationship among living component of ecosystem is generally referred as. Now food and energy relationship among living component of ecosystem, it is considered as bioenergetic approach. So option C is the correct answer. Question 65. Question 65 asks that Azotobacter and Clostridium. Azotobacter and Clostridium are nitrogen fixing bacteria. Yes, they are nitrogen fixing bacteria. But this carry out nitrogen fixation when they are free in soil. Free in soil means they are free living, not symbiotic. So option C is correct answer. Question 66. Question 66 asks that in summer, when outside temperature is more than our body temperature, we sweat profusely. The resulting evaporative cooling, similar to that happens when a desert cooler in operation, brings down the body temperature. In winter, when the temperature is much lower 37 degrees Celsius, we start shiver, a kind of exercise that produce heat and raise body temperature. So this type of mechanism to adapt according to the environment and change according to that. So in this we change our body temperature according to environment. So if we draw a graph, if there are some internal factor and there are some external factor, this internal factor change according to the, sorry, these are external factor and these are internal factor. Now this internal factor changes according to the external factor, then this type of organism are known as conform. So option D is correct answer. Question 67. Question 67 asks that waxy surface of the floating leaves. Waxy surface of floating leaves of hydrophytes prevent. Now this waxy coating is of cuticle and cuticle prevent transpiration. So transpiration is given in option C, so transpiration is the correct answer. Question 68. Question 68 asks that mycorrhiza are the example of. Now mycorrhiza, it is defined as it is a symbiotic or mutualistic interaction between fungus and roots of higher plant. Now this fire plant include gymnosperm and angiosperm. So this is a symbiotic, means beneficial to both the organism. So this is an example of mutualism. So C is the correct answer. Question 69. Question 69 asks that total energy fixed by gram plant. Total energy fixed by gram, that is Sisser plant. In an ecosystem of the whole is, so it is a energy produced by a plant, and when plant carry out a production of total energy, it is known as gross primary productivity, means it is a gross production. So gross production, that is option B is the correct answer, because gross productivity is the total amount of chemical energy stored in plant per unit area. It is total amount of chemical energy stored in plants per unit area per unit time. Question 70. Question 70 asks that secondary succession takes place on. So it is a question about secondary succession. Now first we should understand what do you mean by secondary succession. Secondary succession is a succession or biotic succession that occur in an area which becomes secondary where due to the destruction of community previously present there. So if in this habitat previously some ecosystem was established, now it is destroyed by any calamities and there is a now barren area. Now if on this barren area new life will originate, then this type of succession in already barren a secondary barren area will known as secondary succession. So it was in the destroyed area. So according to the option, degraded forest is the area where secondary succession can happen. So option D is correct answer. Question 71. Question 71 asks that Colorado National Park is located here. So this is the Colorado National Park, which is located at Bharatpur, Rajasthan. It is the region where some of the Siberian cranes and some of the other birds visit this area. So Bharatpur, that is option B, is correct answer. Question 72. Question 72 asks that mortality is. So mortality is nothing but a death rate. So if we talk about mortality, it is talking about a death. So if we go according to the option A is given as the number of individual population who left the habitat and gone elsewhere during the time period under construction, means it is talking about the emigration, not mortality. So it is incorrect. Option B is given as the number of birth during a given period in a population that are added to the initial density, means it is talking about natality, not about mortality. It is talking about a birth. Option C is given as the number of individuals of the same species that have come into habitat from elsewhere during the time period under construction, means it is talking about immigration. So again it is also incorrect. Option D is given as the number of death in a population, death in population during a given period. So obvious it is a death rate, so D is the correct answer. Question 73. Question 73 asks that in the phosphorus cycle, phosphate become available by weathering of rock. First two. So now in phosphorus cycle, we remember that if there is a soil and its weathering occurs, it make phosphate available to the soil. Okay, so when rock are there and their weathering occurs, in weathering breakdown of rock occur and it will add phosphate to soil. Now from soil solution, plants will take this phosphate. So plants or producers are those which get them first. So in phosphorus cycle, phosphate become available by weathering of rock first to the option B, that is producers, and that is through the soil. Question 74. Question 74 asks that annual net primary productivity of whole biosphere is approximately 170 billion tons. So it is a fact based question and D is the correct answer that you should remember. Next is question 75. Question 75 asks that process of evapotranspiration and precipitation is. So process of evapotranspiration and precipitation is nothing but a hydrological cycle where particularly water is completely precipitated and transported and undergo in a cycling pool. So B is the correct answer.